Today I'm going to be working on a 2013 Mazda 3. The truth. Alright, so the other day I went to go use my wipers and noticed that they were making a lot of noise and streaking pretty bad. I'll show you here in just a second. See, it's not wiping this section at all very well. And then my rear one, I'll show you here in 2 seconds, it's even worse. So my rear one is actually falling apart. There's part of the wiper blade right there. So I need to get these things changed out. Let's head to the auto parts store and get new ones. Alright, just got to AutoZone. Let's go find our wiper blades. Alright, got all three. Let's go purchase them. Alright, so I'm going to start with the front two wiper blades. The passenger side is a 19 and the driver's side is a 24. There's nothing special about these blades, so let's get them off and get these new ones on really quick. If you go with the Duralast brand, these are the part numbers for the front two wiper blades. Alright, so you're just going to lift the arm high enough. You can maneuver this guy, and we're basically just going to slide it out of place. It's a little bit tighter than I thought it was going to be, but it still just slid out of there. Or actually this way, excuse me. And then I'm going to raise this one up just so it doesn't hit my windshield. And now we're going to do the other side as well. There we go. As you can see with the wiper hooks, it's just literally a hook. Some other ones I've done before have different kind of hooks or different kind of brackets they fit into. These ones are the most basic ones. So basically what we're going to do is we're just going to find the adapter that just slides into place. Alright, so I'm just going to start with the passenger side. It does have a little loop in the wiper blade itself, so we're just going to hook that loop to our existing hook, excuse me, and it should snap right into place. So you want to make sure you give it a good tug as well, just to make sure it hooks onto there properly. Let's go do the driver's side really quick. It's going to be basically the same thing with the driver's side. Just get the hook to hook right into here, and then just give it a good tug to make sure it snaps into place. I was just looking at my driver's side one. It was falling apart too. That's probably why it was leaving that weird streak. Just like that, the front two are changed out. Now let's go hit up the back. Alright, for changing out the rear one, you could probably do it with this cap still on. But just for ease of changing it out, let's go ahead and take this cap off. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pry up on both these sides right here. And this whole cap is going to come off. Now when you're prying it up, you're just going to open up these two sides and the whole thing just slides off. It just kind of latches in with these two little pins in here and this back part right here. So you just want to separate it enough, pull up. Don't pull it too hard or it's going to snap this little brittle piece of plastic. Alright, now we can angle this thing up to be able to access the wiper blade easily. So you're going to want to tilt your blade out like this, and it's got a little release switch right back here. I'm going to be using a body panel tool to press up against it this way. And you're going to kind of apply force this way. Not too much though, because you don't want to break this whole arm. But you're just going to apply like this, and I'm going to push in at the same time, and there it goes. And then now this whole thing just slides right off of there. It's kind of hard to see, but this little clip right here hooks on the inside, right inside here, just to stop it from going anywhere. So let's find the right combination in our new packet that's going to match up to what we need here, and I'll show you what I'm working with. For the rear, if you go the Duralast brand, it's the DRC 141 blade that you need. All right, so in this kit, it comes with 3 different adapters. We're going to be using the A one on this car. Just double check your own. It could have different adapters, but it's basically just the size of this interior rod in here. This one is the right size that we need. So we're going to clip in the wiper blade itself onto here and then clip this onto the car. So this thing's got a little track on the inside, and this has a little opposing track on this side. We're just going to snap the two together. There it goes. It only fits in there one way. So if it's not working for you, just flip it around and see if it works the other way. But now that we got the wiper blade on the bracket itself, let's go ahead and put it on the car. Finally, we're going to snap this little guy back into place. You're just going to line it up and push it on. Just like that. Alright, so we're going to test out the front ones really quick. Much quieter and much cleaner, no more streaking. And let's check out the rear one too. Alright, so I hope this video helped. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try and answer them as soon as I can. If you liked any of the music that's in the background of this video, check out the artist's SoundCloud. Link is in the description.